First day at work. Lisa is a young woman. She is 26 years old. She lives in a small town with her parents. Lisa finished university last month. She studied business. Now, she will start her new job. Tomorrow will be Lisa's first day at work. She will wake up early. She will wear her new clothes. She will take the bus at 8 o'clock. The bus will go to the city. Lisa will arrive at the office at 8:45. At 9 o'clock, Lisa will meet her new boss. His name is Mr. Carter. He will smile and shake her hand. He will say, "Welcome to the team, Lisa." Lisa will feel a little nervous, but she will smile too. Mr. Carter will show her the office. He will introduce her to the other workers. Lisa will say hello to everyone. Then, Mr. Carter will take Lisa to her desk. He will tell her about her tasks. You will answer phone calls. You will send emails. You will help with reports, he will explain. Lisa will listen carefully. She will take notes. She will ask some questions. Mr. Carter will answer all of them kindly. Later, Lisa will have lunch with her new coworkers. They will go to a small cafe near the office. They will eat sandwiches and drink coffee. Lisa will talk to Sarah, a friendly woman from the team. Sarah will tell her, "You will like it here. Everyone will help you." After lunch, Lisa will go back to work. She will check her emails. She will organize some files. She will learn many new things. At 5 o'clock, Lisa will finish her first day. She will say goodbye to everyone. They will say, "See you tomorrow." Lisa will feel happy and tired. She will take the bus home. When she gets home, she will tell her parents about her day. They will listen and smile. Lisa will say, "I think I will like my new job." Grammar explanation. Future simple tense. Form. Subject plus will plus base verb. Example. She will work. They will help. Negative form. Subject plus will not, won't, plus base verb. Example. I will not go. He won't eat. Question form. Will plus subject plus base verb. Example. Will you come? Will she call? Future simple tense is used for decisions made at the moment. I will open the door. For predictions. It will rain tomorrow. For promises or offers. I will help you. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with a will plus verb. Answers. Exercise 2. Make sentences negative. Answers. Exercise 3. Make questions. Answers. Lesson summary. In this lesson, you learned how to use the future simple tense to talk about future plans and actions. We followed Lisa's first day at work and used will in many different ways. Keep practicing, and soon, you will speak English with confidence.